Okay, so let's look at this problem. A coin is tossed 10 times. In each case, the outcome, head or tails, right, is recorded. Right, so one possible outcome of this 10 tosses is denoted like this. Part A, what is the total number of the possible outcomes of the coin tossing experiment, right? So this is this is using the counting rule from the multiplication rule of the counting, right? So for each toss, you have two outcomes, right? Head or tail. So the total number of the possible outcome is going to be 2 times 2 da da da. There are 10 2's, right? So it's a 2 to the power of 10. Okay, which is 1024 here, right? So again, so this is using the multiplication rule of counting, right? And then in how many possible outcomes are exactly 5 heads obtained? So starting from here, you see part B, it transformed into a combination problem. So basically, in this 10 positions here, right? In this 10 positions here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Basically, all you need to do is to pick 5 out of 10 here, and then put them as a head, and then the others is going to be or tail. Okay, so how many possible outcomes here? So it's going to be 10 chooses 5. Okay, and then the next is in how many possible outcomes are at least 8 had obtained here. So at least that means you're gonna have 8, 9, and 10, right? So it's gonna be 10 chooses 8 plus 10 chooses 9 plus 10 chooses 10. Okay. And then in how many ways there is at least one head is obtained. So again, when we're talking about at least here is at least one here. The complement of this part is there's going to be no head, right? So in other words, it's going to be tail, 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 tail. So in that way, do you see that there's just a one piece, right? So if we're using the idea of the complement, which is 2 to the power of 10 minus 1, and then that will give you 1, 0, 2, 3. So that's and then part D, in how many of the possible outcome is at most one head is obtained here. Well, this part shouldn't be difficult. So if we're talking about at most one head, it could be there's no head, right? So it's just a no head. So in other words, in that situation, it's going to be 10 chooses 10, right? There is no head, and then plus the situation, you have 1 there, so 10 chooses 1. Okay. So for both cases here in this scenario, this is going to be a 1 plus 10 chooses 1 here. It's going to give you 10. So total situation is 11. Okay. So yeah, so this is another short problem. So hope you enjoy this. Thanks.